Imagine if I told you that the secret to building the biggest dam in the forest wasn't about when you picked up your first log, but simply how long you stayed in the water. Most animals spend their whole lives trying to predict when the next big storm will hit, but while they're busy hiding, the forest is growing without them. Today, we're going to learn why time in the forest beats timing the storm every single time. Hey there, neighbors. I'm Beaver. Welcome to our little corner of the woods. Now, around here, we all want the same thing, a sturdy dam and a lush forest full of trees. But there's a big debate happening down by the pond. My friend Rabbit thinks he can jump into the river right before the water rises and hop out before it gets cold. Me, I prefer a different approach. Grab your hard hats because today we're talking about time in the market versus timing the market. Let's look at two different ways to grow a forest. First, we have Rabbit. Rabbit is fast. He watches the clouds every single day. If he sees a gray cloud, he digs up his saplings because he's afraid a storm will wash them away. When the sun comes out, he rushes to plant them again. He's trying to time the forest. Owl, flying down from a branch, hoot. Tell them, Beaver, what is the cost of Rabbit's hopping? Great question, Owl. You see, every time Rabbit digs up a tree, he damages the roots. In the world of finance, that's like paying fees or missing out on the days when the trees grow the most. One day, a huge storm rolled through. The wind howled. That's a market crash. Rabbit panicked. The sky is falling. I need to dig up my logs and hide them in my burrow. Because Rabbit was hiding in his burrow, he missed the best growing days. In the human world, if you missed just the 10 best days in the stock market over the last 20 years, your total wealth, your dam, could be cut in half. But wait, what if Rabbit was actually psychic? What if he really could predict the storms? You won't believe what happened when Bear tried to use a secret map to time the river levels. It turns out even the clever fox can't outrun the clock. Let's see why perfect timing is actually a trap. Let's break it down into 3 simple rules for your financial dam. The forest grows upward. Over long periods, the whole forest, index funds, has always grown. Storms are temporary. The sun always returns. Missing the sunlight days. Market growth usually happens in short, explosive bursts. If you're out of the water trying to time it, you'll miss the growth. Compound growth, the growing forest. $100 planted today is worth more than $100 planted tomorrow because it has more time to sprout baby trees. Remember, young investors, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. So, Beaver, you're saying I don't need to be a genius strategist? I just need to wait? Exactly, Fox. Being a long-term moose is much easier and usually more profitable than being a market timing rabbit. You spend less energy worrying and more time enjoying the pond. To build a massive dam, you don't need to predict the weather. You just need to keep adding logs and let time do the heavy lifting. Don't panic when the forest gets cloudy. Keep planting regularly. Stay in the forest. Time in the market. If you want to learn how to pick the right seeds for your forest, hit that subscribe button and join our colony. We're building stronger dams every week here at Beaver Invests. See you at the river.